This is a quick video about how to translate text from one language to another using Google Sheets. So first open Google Sheets, create a new blank sheet, give it a name, my very first spreadsheet, and then we want to create the input text which we want to translate. So the input text will be in B4 in this example. So let's just put in some input text here. I am an Arsenal supporter, which is often extremely difficult. Okay, so that's my sentence. This is just a heading. Okay, so now I'm going to wrap that text by coming up here to go for text wrapping and go for the middle option. Okay, so that's my input text in B4. So now I'm going to translate that into Irish, which the Google code for is GA. I'm going to translate it into Spanish, the Google code for which is ES for Espanol, and I will translate it into Chinese, the code for which is CN. Okay, and then I will call Google Translate. So you say equal Google Translate and use your mouse to select it, and then you'll see that there's three parameters that you need to pass, or three pieces of input that you need to pass into the function: text, the source language, and the target language. So the text, of course, is in B4, so you select B4, comma, and then you say English, the code for which is EN, and then you select in this one the target language, which is GA for Gaeilge. Okay, so that is the Irish for this sentence. I'll just word wrap that again. Now I will do the Spanish. And the Chinese. English and Chinese ZHCN. Okay, so there we have the three translations done. Now there is something you can do additionally to detect what language is in this text that you're after input. There's a function called detect language that you can use, and you basically just point it at the text in question. So that's B4, and it will return EN for English. So where I've put in EN up here and here and here, if I actually call that function, so I'll do it once more, I'll do the Irish one again. So I could say Google Translate B4 detect language B4, comma Gaeilge. Okay, so it'll give me the same answer, but basically what I'm saying is you don't actually have to always enter the source language. That can be detected automatically too, which may be useful if you had different rows here with different language starting them. Okay, so that is all I wanted to cover in this short presentation. Thank you.